Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change the background of photo in Photoshop. So let's go to the Photoshop, and first I need to choose the background photo. Now the background photo is open. Now we need to go to File, click on Place Embedded. Place Embedded, for example this photo, place, and here I can adjust the press shift and select the corner, and we can set it on the screen. Now image is set on the screen, so I want to change the background of this image, and the background I already placed on the back. Press enter. Now what we need to do, go on the layer. See, the background, first image we placed, that is locked on the background, and the other image is up. We want to change the background of this image, that we can see now. So okay, let me fit on the screen, fit screen, and then I can do some adjustment on here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to remove the background of this original image. So for that, go to select and mask. You need to click on the select and mask. You see, when you click on the select and mask, the image is disappeared. So here, because the transparency is 100%, you need to reduce the transparency. Here you can see, for example, you set on the 50%. Now you can see the image and background both together. So now you again go to the select and select subject. Click on subject. When you click on subject, the Photoshop automatically will select the subject of your photo and remove the background. So it will take some time. Okay, now you see subject is more clear. Now you can reduce the transparency to see the original background and increase the transparency to see the new background. Now click OK. So some more setting, for example, you go here, if you want to do some setting, go on the view, see the white and black. Here you can see there are some edges, so if you want to do some setting on the edges, you can go here and move the smooth. You see, if you move the smooth, image is getting more clear. For example, I make the smooth 100%. So you need to make according to your image. So because if I increase the smooth, my image is getting better. So for example, I set here on 70, and if I remove the feather, it make the blur, so I don't need to move the feather. If I increase the contrast, so for example, I set the contrast 50% and I say click OK. Now you see the image is very clear with the background. So if you want, click here on this option, and if you want to move the subject anywhere, you can place anywhere on this background. So that was all about it, how to change the background on the Photoshop. That's the quick method. That was all about it. Thanks for watching.